Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. Yes, so my people, based on the whole rumor wey be say fuel go enter 1-2 very soon. This whole rumor don dey cause queue for different filling station for across Naija. Right now, my people, NNPC and the independent marketers, they don't come outside for this interview what they do for channels. Now they for come despair and say nothing like that. To say fuel no dey go anywhere. Say all those talk where they talk around say na mere rumors. Anyway, my people, I will talk too much. I will play on this video. Now I'm gonna watch and listen to this NNPC people them and the independent marketers for this interview. And make una no forget to like and share. Make una watch the video.
Here in our studio, we're switching links to look at that. We have the National Vice President of IPMA, that is Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, I believe. We have here Alhaji Ahmed Fashola. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Good morning.
Also, here is the National Public Relations Officer, Okonlawon Olayanwaju. I got that. I know the Olayanwaju. Okonlawon. That's the first time I'm coming across that one.
Thank you.
Okonlawon Olayanwaju. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for coming in this morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
We won't waste time. We just have a few minutes for this conversation. There was that thing yesterday broke that there's a confusion as regards the pricing of the petrol. That the independent petroleum marketers wanted it to go up to 1,200, and the NNPC had to step in to say no, there's no plan to up the price of petrol at the pumps yet. Please clarify this for us.
Well, good morning, Nigerians, and happy New Year. Let me first of all clear that. As far as independent marketers association is concerned, independent marketers, we don't have plans to increase fuel pump price. There's no basis for that for now. And equally, there's no signal from NNPC that it should increase. So we cannot do that on our own, except NNPC come out and say, okay, we are going to increase fuel pump price. So on our own, there's nothing like that. And I want to use this opportunity to appeal to public, to stop panic buying. And there's nothing like that. It's just a rumor.
Okay, Mr. Olayanwaju, you are independent petroleum marketers, and some will be arguing that you're independent of the NNPC. So why do you need the NNPC to give signal before you determine the price of petrol at your pumps?
Thank you very much. Good morning, viewers. The situation is very simple, it's very normal thing. NNPC are the major importer of the product. We get product from NNPC. So as long as the NNPC is not increasing the price, there is no basis for panic on that level. Our product, we source it from NNPC. We are not importing. So definitely, as long as we are getting it the whole price, there is no basis for increase.
Okay.
There have been reports that all marketers in Nigeria say PMS is supposed to or should sell at about 1,200 naira per liter. And at this time, Nigerians are still struggling with the current price right now. Let's get a sense of what to expect for energy prices in Nigeria. Joining us now is Mr. Bismarck Orane, CEO, Financial Derivatives Company. Joining us via Zoom. Great to have you on the show, sir.
Good afternoon, and happy to be here.
So we're seeing speculations that Nigerians might have to pay 1,200 naira per liter for PMS. But we'll see the NNPC has come out to assure us it will not happen. But from where you're sitting, do you see 1,200 naira per liter coming?
No, that's not possible, because at 1,200 naira per liter, it's actually, petrol price in Nigeria will be more expensive than all the neighboring countries. And in that case, there'll be smuggling of petrol into Nigeria rather than out of Nigeria. So I think people are mistaken a spot from a range or a trend. What I think I understand is that petrol could range from 600 to as high as 1,200, depending on what goes into the template. I think there's a misunderstanding of concepts here. And so I would ignore that. At 1,200 naira per liter, the distortionary effect to the allocation of resources and prices and the knock-on effect on other prices will be so significant that it will to bring the economy to its knees. So I don't think it's realistic to even consider that at this point in time.
Yeah, because definitely, I definitely don't want to consider that price because I know how the current price, impacts me personally. But let's just say it happens. Do you think Nigerians can take this price?
No,
the average consumer.
Let me be clear. It was 198 naira a year ago. Okay? If it goes to 1,200, it means it has gone up by a factor of 10 times. In other words, it's gone up by 1,000%. It's not possible. Your salaries are still the same, prices are still the same. So it's not. I think people should stop speculating or hallucinating, if I may use the word. It's not going to happen. The average price across the country across 900 naira, maximum 1,000 naira. That's and that includes taxes. So if you're just talking about the price itself, the effective cost, it is nowhere in that range. So I don't think it will happen. And what we must try to avoid is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you say it more times than not, then people begin to believe it, and then people begin to speculate on it, and then it begins to drive a price. It's like when you go to a gas station, you see 5 cars, and say the next petrol station you see 6 cars. Then you call somebody, I think there's a petrol shortage. Everybody comes out of the houses, and then there'll be a petrol shortage.
DJ